guys, welcome to Facetone. So in this video I will be showing you how to create a ticket for a customer. So as you can see, this is the customer's profile. If you all haven't seen the previous videos, check out the previous videos on how to load a customer's profile. Here you get the create ticket option inside the customer's profile, so you can click on the create ticket button and start creating on the ticket. So first of all, the subject, whatever you can put. So in this case I will simulate a banking scenario where the customer calls to lodge his card lost details. So the subject would be card lost, and you can add the card number and all his other details in the description. And here you get the priority, so we can actually set triggers, which means predefined workflows for different priorities. There will be a link in the video to explain what ticket triggers are. So in this case I'll select priority as urgent, and this is the business unit of this existing agent. So by default this agent's business unit will be selected, or else the agent will be able to select another business unit. What happens over here is only this business unit members will be able to view this ticket, and the ticket types will be displayed over here. You can, through the supervisor console, many customized ticket types can be created. So in this case I'll have it as an action. Tags are more details on the ticket. Again, this can be created as a hierarchy through the supervisor console. So here I'll select the tags, and you can assign it to whomever the user you want, the Facetone user you want this action to be done. So here I'll select this user, so this ticket will be assigned to this particular user. Related tickets are the previous tickets which have been created under this customer. So if there are any related tickets to be added, the user can simply select the ticket and add it over here, and you can create the ticket. So that's it from this video, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks.